paints the sky with shades of gold. Coffee cup in hand, stories yet untold. The same old streets, but I'm feeling new. Walking through the rhythm of a life I knew. Sometimes it's heavy, sometimes it's light, but I keep on moving through the dark and bright. It's just another day in my life, trying to find the love, trying to find the light. With every breath, every step I take, I'm learning more about the dreams I made. Oh, it's just another day, but I'm grateful anyway. Faces pass like rivers flowing by. Some bring tears, some bring a smile so wide. I hold my heart, I keep it close and tight. In this quiet battle of wrong and right, sometimes the way feels too much to bear, but I find my peace in the midnight air. It's just another day in my life, trying to find the love, trying to find the light. With every breath, every step I take, I'm learning more about the dreams I made. Oh, it's just another day, but I'm grateful anyway.
So yeah, just a little grocery haul. What's up, y'all? What's up, y'all? Listen, y'all came in at the right time, because today, oh yes, I did my little grocery haul, but I picked up some of my favorite powerhouse ingredients to blend up a daily smoothie that supports your brain, your bones, and the booty. Yes, ma'am. This is, oh my gosh, these ingredients, I got nutrient-rich greens, potassium-packed bananas, hydrating coconut water, and a few extras you might not expect, but definitely need. So let's get into this smoothie magic. I call it drink the smoothie daily for brains, bones, and booty. Now, here's what you need. You'll need a scoop of kale powder or fresh kale leaves for calcium and that green glow. 1 banana for fiber, magnesium, and natural sweetness. A tablespoon of sea moss gel or 2 capsules. Your bones and joints will definitely thank you. You'll need a tablespoon of almond butter. It's loaded with vitamin E and healthy fats for heart and booty health. Okay. Just 1 date. That's all you need. Just 1 date. That's nature's candy with brain-loving antioxidants, y'all. And then you'll need 1 cup of coconut water for hydration with a potassium punch. And then let's just do a tablespoon of this cacao powder. Hello, antioxidants and better blood flow. And then finally, a ½ teaspoon of Moringa powder, the queen of plant-based B vitamins. Y'all, all you have to do is blend it up silky smooth, then sip, smile, and feel good knowing you're nourishing your body from the inside out. Now, this smoothie is more than just tasty. It's a full-on wellness ritual. Great for breakfast, post-workout, or any time you need that boost of energy, focus, and nourishment. It's perfect for weight management or healthy weight gain in all the right places, if you know what I mean. And if you want to try it yourself, check the links below for all my go-to ingredients. Now, of course, affiliate links are included, and I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you, but I know you don't mind supporting your girl, and I appreciate that. If you love today's content, or you want more content like this, please don't forget to like, talk to me in the comment section, subscribe, and remember, your wellness journey can be delicious too. Bye now.
Some days I wake up feeling low, with miles to go and nothing to show. Trying to keep moving, holding my ground, but the weight of the world keeps pulling me down. But deep in my spirit, a whisper I hear, a voice saying